Okay, students, today we're going to learn on chapter 8, equations and formulas from your book 1. Alright, so we have 3 subtopics. So we're going to start with the first subtopic, 8.1, substitution into expressions. Well, as I know, you should have learned what expressions are in your previous chapter. So this is just a continuation of that chapter. Now, I've given you the first example. Now, if you look at the materials that I've posted, if A equals to 4, B equals to 7, and C equals to 3, calculate the first one, 6 plus B. Alright, so you just replace the B with the number 7. Okay, replace the alphabet B, your unknown, with the number 7. So 6 plus 7 is equals to 13. Now, if you look at question B, that is 2A plus B. Now, you must remember 2A is equals to 2 multiply with A, or 2 times A. Okay, 2 times an unknown plus another different unknown. So you have your working there, 2 times 4 plus 7. So do remember your board mass. Okay, do remember your board mass. 2 times 4 plus 7. You must do your multiplication first. So 8 plus 7 is equals to 15. Now, for question C, which is AB, alright, so you have A times B, so 4 times 7, which is 28, and for the following question D, A times B minus C. Remember, you must complete the questions in the brackets first. Follow your board mass. Alright, complete the questions in the brackets first. So 4 times B minus C. So complete the B minus C, which is 7 minus 3. Okay, and then you multiply with the A alphabet, which represents as 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, now there's an example here. If A equals to 3, B equals to -1, C equals to 2, and D equals to -4, calculate all those questions. So I'm going to show you the proper working to answer all these questions. Okay, now, if A equals to 3, B equals to -1, C equals to 2, and D equals to -4, calculate A minus B. So if you have to calculate A minus B, alright, so you look at the question, make sure you write equals, alright, 3 minus, since the B is a -1 value, so make sure you put the -1 in brackets so that you will not confuse both the negative symbols. So remember, negative times a negative is positive. So 3 plus 1, so your answer is 4. Now for the following question, we have 3D. 3D meant by 3 times D. Alright, so you're given 3 times, your D is -4. As I've said, please put the negative numbers in brackets. So 3 times -4, your answer is -12. Now for question C, we have 2C plus D. Alright, remember 2C meaning by 2 times C. Alright, so you can do it in brackets as well. So 2 multiplied by C, 2 times, remember, look at your values. Your values are very important. Okay, all the 4 values are very important. So C is 2. So when you come back to the question, 2 times 2 plus negative 4. So 2 times 2 is 4. Positive times a negative is negative 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, don't be worried if you're getting a 0 answer, since you have already learned positive numbers and negative numbers. Now, going on with the next question, 4a minus 2d. Okay, remember 4a is 4 times a, 2d is 2 times d. So we put up that these equations first. 4a, okay, 4 times 3 minus 2 times negative 4. So 4 times 3 is 12. Negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8. So you will have your answer as 20. Now for the following question, we have 2 times a plus c. Now when you have in brackets like this, it means this particular number multiplies the whole equation here. Alright, so this is 2. Just write it in brackets, a plus c. So the a value is 3. Please look at the question again. And the c is 2. So this is 2 in bracket 5. Remember, when it is in brackets, it is not plus, but it is actually a multiplication. Alright, so this answer is 10. Now, question F. 5 times d minus c is also the same thing as your question E here. Alright, so make sure you write an equal at the very front of your answer. Okay, so if this is 5, now d is negative 4, c is minus c, so minus 2. So this is 5 times negative 6. So your answer is negative 30. Okay, so this is how you answer these questions. Now moving on to question G, we have C times B plus A. Now, all these are your unknowns. Remember, when you have an alphabet, it is an unknown. Unknown means it is a number that you do not know what is the exact value. But in this question, you are already given the value for each unknown. Okay, so C represents with 2. Put in bracket. Just fill up the numbers first. B is negative 1 plus A. So A is positive 3. Then only you solve. Negative 1 plus 3 is 2. So remember, when you have in brackets, it means 2 times 2. So your answer is 4. And for the final question, we have D times 2A minus 3B. Okay, so fill up D negative 4, 2A. Now, in this sense, you see here, you have 2A minus 3B. So it is a bit longer showing your working, alright? It will be a longer show of working, whereby in the one inside, 2 times 3 minus 3 times negative 1. Then you'll have a bigger bracket. Alright, so you have negative 4 multiplied by, okay, now you have to solve the one inside the bracket. So 2 times 3 is 6. Negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3. So you'll have negative 4. This would be 9. So negative 4 times 9 is negative 36. Alright. So this is for today's subtopic, which is your substitution into expressions. Now I've given you a quiz, so please answer that. You have your due dates written in the notice, and also there is a homework. I hope all the students will send in your homework on time. Thank you then. See you for the next lesson.